Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a face mask with fabric by using our household things. Today I am going to use a cotton fabric here as cotton fabric is very comfortable to wear and also we don't feel any suffocation if we use it for long hours. It is also easy to wash and dry the cotton fabric. So let's get started. First of all we need some cotton fabric, a needle, a round plate, thread and some fabric scissors. Here I took my son's old cotton shirt to make the mask. Now take the 10-inch round plate and then place it upside down on the inside of the fabric and then trace the circle by using a pen or pencil. Now take off the plate and cut the circle by using the fabric scissors. Then take the circle and fold it and cut it into equal halves. Now take the two layers and place one layer on top of the other layer and the fabric print should be facing inside. Now by using the safety pin, pin the cloth just like I shown here, so that the fabric will not move when we are going to stitch. Then stitch the pinned part by using the needle and thread in the method which I have shown here. The stitches are clean and neat. Now we are going to do the further process. Now hold the cloth and then join the two ends of the open side. Now we are going to stitch the open part just like the one we did before and don't forget to give some gap at the end to flip the cloth. Now flip the cloth from the open part and then stitch that open part once you are done with the flipping. Now take the two elastic rubber bands and then stitch them to two wider ends of the fabric. The center stitching line of the fabric should face us outside. So by keeping that in mind, stitch the rubber band so that the stitches are not visible outside. So finally we are done making the mask, and I hope this tutorial is helpful to make the mask without using any sewing machine. Thank you for watching.